soldiers for life.
Good morning, guys. We're gonna go get my hair done. I'm with Auntie, and we're going into town. Dang, my face looks fat. Maybe I'm gaining weight. Am I getting thick, Leash? Am I getting thick? Whatever. Yesterday just was not a vlog day. But today, getting my hair done. I don't know if we're still gonna go to Mom Peace. I don't think Mom's in the mood, but we'll see. And then tomorrow is my official last day. So we're gonna go. We were supposed to go to Margaritaville, but we're not gonna go anymore because I want to just spend the day with my grandma. I just have a feeling that I should spend the whole day with her. So we're all gonna go up there and cook and just hang out. My whole family's coming. Not the whole family, but like the immediate family's coming. And we're gonna cook and hang out and just hang out with grandma tomorrow. So you'll see my family again. And then Wednesday, I'm out. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all you lovebirds. Happy Valentine's Day, because you. Leisha's a lovebird. Her and her hubby. Happy Valentine's Day. Me, I'm a lonely spinster. I don't know.
I have no hubby. My hubby there overseas.
Lord have mercy. Well, I don't know who is hubby and who is bubby, but I say happy Valentine's Day. So yeah, so now we're gonna go get food in Lucy. We're gonna get cocoa bread. And yeah. Oh, I'm wearing a top, wrap top, jeans, and sandals. Leisha is wearing a bodycon suit, and she got her boobs done, guys. So,
no, they're real. I'm taking out.
No, oh. Leisha, please. I don't want to lose my my YouTube channel over your titties popping out. So but she does look like she had a boob job. I don't know. Kinda does, Leash.
They're real. Nothing inside of them. Let me take out them.
No, Leash. You know she really would too. So we're going in the town. We're gonna go say hi to my husband, go get food, and then.
Who's your husband?
I don't know yet. I'm gonna try and find one today, and then yeah. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Greatness in a movie, you know? Watch out. Cause it a cut me now and take my strength down. Man would have bleed momentum. Ball down the board outside, get the fence down. Multi mount me no bench now. Father God, me might not be the best son, but the best come from the worst, me never yet run. Greatness a running on me blood. Aye, blessings a shower like a flood. Greatness a running on me blood. It's a eagle a fly and a fish on you see. Me born with a blood clot fish on you see. Me lace up me boot for the mission you see. If you cut me right now, my ambition you see. Live in my drive out and the sun you see. Man a king so me name a Billy Van you see. Back it for me dogs and me family.
On a taxi. Here's the view, guys. Here's Auntie. Aye. So we're waiting on Prento to come get us, and then we are getting food and ice cream. What supermarket are we gonna go in?
I must have to buy the meat at meat shop.
You mean the fish?
Yeah.
The fish, and that's it. See you guys in a bit. Jomo's here. What's up? You remember me?
I remember you. Talk about you when I don't see you. You know.
Everything good?
Yeah, well, put up for the energy.
Okay.
So everything alright? You gonna come to the market?
Yes, tomorrow we're getting fish.
Tomorrow.
What are you gonna have?
I'm gonna have all type of
Okay, bonita.
bonita.
Yeah, tomorrow morning, early.
I'm gonna have snapper for you.
All right, perfect. Big ones?
Thank you.
You too.
At all times. When you're over.
All right.
Gone overwhelmed. Remember.
One of my friends?
You're gonna bring one of your friends for me?
White friend or black friend? Puerto Rican? Dominican? Let me know.
You're gonna have my photo, white, so long as they're good and
you want a white woman?
You have a good black woman?
Anyone that gets the stick.
Remember? White.
You don't care if they're, you know, little.
No, I want them.
Jomo! Alright. Later, tomorrow. Come. He said he needs. Hey boy, you see you? I kill me, guys, Jomo, I don't even know if he was on camera. My camera was left, right, indifferent. If anybody's single and wants Jomo, let me know in the comments below.
Boy! Thursday, me a come. Ah, baby. Yes!
Yeah.
Motherfuckers wanna test me?
Guys, we're walking back in Lucy. Grandma's here. Leash is here. We have to go run some errands for tomorrow to go to Grandma's house. Grandma, say hi to the people.
Hi to the people.
Grandma, let me turn. Guys, so I'm here with my mom in the kitchen, and this lady that I don't know if you guys remember the last vlog where my mom always gives food to this lady. She used to have kids, and I think they like took her kids away because she's not like with it, and she just came, and my mom's about to give her food again. My mom is a soldier. I'm telling you, she has such a good heart. Yeah, give her. I wonder what happened to her kids, but she's not with it, you know what I mean? So, and mom, look at all the dumpling and the yam too that you threw away. That's spoiled. So mom's giving her food. Mom cooked food and she's gonna give her some food. Mom, give her a bum now. Mom, that's enough. Lord have mercy.
I feel Alicia food.
That's it. That's your skid. That's it.
What is man?
Yo, we are craving.
Alicia, take on for something this one here.
Alicia, give her a bum. Mom, give her a bum. We don't have no other drink.
Alicia, give this. It's alright.
Where is she gonna cook, mommy?
Yeah? Where is she?
Oh.
Where? Come here.
Alicia, give her a bum. It's one of the small ones. So mom's giving her some rice. So yeah. I'm thirsty. Alicia, what happened to your water?
Come on, where you go? Something like give me a planting.
Which one?
Yeah, banana, I don't want to plant. One right planting. Give me a right planting. Papa,
Mommy, you're...
Oh, what's up? It's up. What is it? So is it buy already?
No, she said hi. Guys, if you need any food, come see mommy right here.
Move right from me.
She feeds the children of Jamaica. She feeds the young and the old.
See if I make it drop off. One box me again.
So, Nisha, I'm using my aunt's knee as a tripod. So guys, we just got home a while ago. We were here with my cousin Cobra talking. And now, we're in Leisha's room. No, I didn't know.
You always put my room up and it's messy.
So guys, we're hanging out And yeah, Leisha's giving me hotspot. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna put you down. Give me some hotspot. Oh my god.
Turn it on.
Let me turn it.
Wait, take me on.
Did you put the credit on?
Wait, me turn it back on.
Yeah, turn it off and then put on the credit. Guys, if you live in Jamaica and you're adding a plan to your phone, you have to, look, my face isn't even it. You have to turn off your phone, then add the credit, because if you don't turn off your phone, turn off your your data, then it just eats off the credit right away. Did you sell
to Rusty?
I'm tired of seeing it. Teeth, what the hell? This shit's night now. You're gonna go out? You're not scared?
Me a real bad girl. I'm afraid of nothing. Tell her that.
Say it to the camera.
Me a real bad girl. I'm afraid of nothing. Nothing. Only my belly me afraid of.
Yo.
Turn on my hotspot.
Can you see it?
Put the camera.
Oh my god. Wish I bought you 400.
Something with me nice soft pillow with me. Oh, sit here.
I don't get no hotspot, Lish. What are you talking about? I would steal your pillow? What am I gonna do with your pillow?
In your suitcase and carry you. You don't get no hotspot?
Guys, since Leash is not saying anything, we will see you tomorrow at Grandma's house. I don't even know if this vlog is even long because I'm not with it, but let Leash tell you goodbye. I'm the Dungargan, she is Gully Bop, so let's say goodbye.
Real rough neck.
Say goodbye to the people.
Bye guys. And all the guys who wants to marry to me,
Lord.
follow up me.
Tell them your social media.
No, I don't want them.
Bye guys.